That's it.
Boy, I know you don't see everything first. I was looking.
Type shit. That's funny, bro. Alright, let's get it. Are you fuck with this, bro? You any ideas? You wanna put anything in here? Anything, or you just wanna move to the next one?
Play about one more time.
No, I need no stylist, no, I need no stylist. Do this shit one more time, do this shit one more time. Hey, step back, don't even try, step back, don't even try. Hey, full car, yeah, we gon' ride, full car, yeah, we gon' ride. Leaving the spot too dry, leaving the spot too dry. Damn, they look me in my eye, tell me that you wanna die. Damn, look me in my eye, tell me that you wanna die. Tell me that you wanna die. Wait, damn. Put me and Twin up in this truck. She bad as fuck, tell me what's up. Spill the cut, yeah, turn me up. Big bad one, I'm smoking runs. I know as you don't got no funds. Let me show you how I stun. Let me show you how I stun. They ain't doing nothing, pockets empty. I knew from the jump. Yeah, the tank on E, we had to run like yo, we get the fuck. All this gas up in the air, up in the smoke. Designer blunts. And I get that boss shoot from the 3-step back and do a pump. My pockets full with tumor. Why the fuck it look like pocket long? They tryna do it like me, but they can't. They know I'm one of one. Everything you do is for a check. I do this shit just for fun. I keep on hitting that though. I can't go no more. I'm about to slum, No, I don't need no stylist. No, I don't need no stylist. Do this shit one more time. Do this shit one more time. Hey, step back, don't even try. Step back, don't even try. Hey, full car, yeah, we gon' ride. Full car, yeah, we gon' ride. Leaving the spot too dry. Leaving the spot too dry. Damn, they look me in my eye. Tell me that she wanna die.
Drinks, bro. They didn't have regular bricks.
No, that shit was fire. Bro, I got the
I tried
candy.
that shit once. That shit
Bro, I love all the fucking blue
they
drinks.
didn't have like the fucking regular.
I swear to God,
bro.
no, cause I be getting pink gummies, pink drinking, everything. They're like, yo, you fucking gay. I'm like, no, bro, this lemonade, this is the move. Pink lemonade.
Yeah, pink lemonade fire, bro. That was gonna be the next move, bro.
I said the BTO. Oh, it's sent.
Let me see. What we about to call this one, bro?
Oh, this, I don't even have a name. I guess just put it, Yo, I got I bet you I'll get water. Yeah. Yo, I go back.
Yeah. You know where it is? Oh, yeah, you're right.
I walk in the spot like I'm tripping. Press a track, then you had the difference. We can't talk, you not talking about digits. Run it up, I get the bag and I flip it. Stay out the way, I'm just sticking to business. Shoes clean, but I ain't never slipping. New dream like I'm on a mission. You get crossed if you ain't see the vision. Rockin' DR, I ain't even Christian. What? Rockin' DR, I ain't even Damn. Pen and paper, I don't wanna work. Look forward, the light just a blur. And I'm geeking like I'm leaving the earth. Mouth said that I'm going berserk. Talk about with the money I splurge. You broken that shit like a curse. Mask on this shit look like the purge. You got trust, yeah, I give you my word. You for real need to know that you sure. I ain't selling, yeah, I know my worth. And she getting geek like a nerd. Throw the rest, yeah, the money gon' twerk. Hey, hold up. Wait, hey, I'm walking the spot like I'm tripping. Hey, yeah, I walk in the spot like I'm tripping. Press a track, then you had the difference. We can't talk, you not talking about digits. Run it up, I get the bag and I flip it. Stay out the way, I'm just sticking to business. Shoes clean.
We just made 3 songs, not gonna lie. I'm happy as fuck, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah, man. I told you, right?
Yes, bro.
I
was like,
told you. I was like, we're gonna make like 3 or 4. No, it's easy. When we get it in this room, bro, it's streamlined as fuck.
hell yeah,
Cause I use my template that I work on in my crib. So
yeah.
Hey, I'm about to hop out of here, Donnie.
alright, brother.
I'll see the one.
The same shit in like 2 minutes. So. Yeah, so I'm showing them the video, bro.
What's up, bro? It's nice to meet you, bro.
My intern, my boy Gabe.
Bro, just got a vibe to it with all the plants and shit. I fuck with it.
Yeah. And then this room, and then there's one more room. I forgot to show you. They were in here, but this room's here, bro.
Damn, the moon. I fuck with the. Yo, I need to see how this is on the website.
I know. So say movie fixed. We just did this shit. So,
Oh, for real?
Yeah, we just like we made those shit. So those shit all different.
What's up with these? The screens and shit? They got computers on them, or what's up with that?
That's the computer.
Oh, and it goes on the screen.
It goes on the screen.
Hell yeah, bro. This is lit, bro.
No,
Bro,
but
like,
it looks like you're in a spaceship and the one up there. That shit tough.
yeah, bro. Like the fact that you get to come here and do this every day, I would not complain at all, bro.
I love it. I'm happy.
Hell yeah, I wouldn't want it any different, not gonna lie.
It's fun, bro. It's good shit. meet some good people. Have some good shit. I mean, it's fun. It's fun to make music. I mean, I can even.
Do this shit one more. Try step out on you. Hey. Full car, yeah, we gon' ride. Hey. Leave the spot too dry. Tell me that you wanna die. My eye, tell me that you wanna die. Die. Wait, what? Truck. What's up? Runs.
Oh, that would be perfect, bro.
For sure.
Yeah, that's true.
You just finna do your work now?
Yeah, I got you.
Like, that's all?
Yep. It'll take me like 20 minutes, and then we can move on to the next song.
Alright, bet, bro.
No, I need no stylist, no, I need no stylist. Do this shit one more time, do this shit one more time. Hey, step out. Do this shit one more time, do this shit one more time. Hey, step out, don't even try, step out, don't do this shit one more time, do this shit one more time. Hey, step out, don't even try, step out, don't even try. Hey, full car, yeah, we gon' ride, full car, yeah, we gon' ride. Leaving the spot to drive, leaving the spot to drive. Tell me am I, tell me that you wanna die. Tell me am I, tell me that you wanna die. Tell me that you wanna die. Wait. Give me a 20 up in this truck. He got his phone, tell me what's up. I still need to tell you to be alright. Leaving the spot to drive, leaving the spot to drive. All the dog, yeah, you know I'm an addict. Walking away, then I push on the pastors. Why they one whole think she a baddie? Pop out, look at the way she look ratchet. Going with no, we don't slip, we got traction. Slime full cool, we just left out the back end. If he ask me, I don't know what happened. Missing me out, he like mix up the fashion. You won't go if you keep slagging. No, I ain't slag, yeah, I just rap. Spit fire like dragon. Hey, I've been working like all day. Oh, no, I had time to get nasty. And he said he slide, I'm wiping his nose. Just like I had me a napkin. Just like I had me a napkin. Just like I just as long as she giving me face. Gabriel, no, do no dates. Say it out, no, get no complaints. What? See me out to kick it with gang. Came a long way, shout out the A. Came a long way, shout out my bros. Rock with me and I'll give you the same. Rock with me and I'll give you my heart. All this trust shit for my brain. And then bitch said she won't make it take. And after that, no, I can't show my face. In the plane, we just hop out that leg. Damn, hey, all the dope, yeah, you know I'm an addict. Walking away, then I push on the pastors. Why they one whole think she a baddie? Pop out, look at the way she look ratchet. Forward, no, we don't slip, we got traction. Slime so cool, we just left out the back end. If he ask me, I don't know what happened. Missing me out, he like mix up the fashion. You won't go if you keep slagging. No, I ain't slag, yeah, I just rap. Spit fire like dragon. Hey, I've been working like all day. Oh, no, I got time to get nasty. And he said he slide, I'm wiping his nose. Just like I had me a napkin.
I thought time would go slow, but
I'm flies, bro.
no doubt when I'm back from my trip, in like 2 weeks, maybe a little bit longer, I'm doing another session, bro.
Let's bro. I'll be here.
Hell yeah. Nah, that shit fire though.
The difference. You hear talking about bitches. Run it up, I get the bag and I flip it. Stay out the way, I'm just sticking to business. Shoes clean, but I ain't never slipping. New dream, I'm on a mission. Run get crossed if you ain't see the vision. I can be, I ain't even Christian. What? I can be, I ain't even Christian.
Oh! Yeah, that's smooth.
I can be, I ain't even Christian.
You keep the beat on for a little bit and then you can just like,
Fucking be lying, you're clown. Fucking be lying, you're clown.
What you fucking missing?
What? Fucking be lying, you're clown.
starved, dog. Yeah, we can go wherever. My mom's already here. My mom's already here. We can go wherever. You want to go?
Yeah, bro. Let it fade out.
Yeah, bro.
You did that shit, bro. I appreciate you for real.
Of course, bro. I got you.
I'm looking forward to working in the future, bro.
Of
We
course,
gonna make so
Anytime,
much
bro.
shit, bro. Like
I
that
got
ass.
you. Literally anytime. I got you. This shit fire, bro.
What can be right here?
Yeah, that's it. Hell yeah.
What can be right here?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
That shit go. I can't even lie.
what's this one called, bro?
What's it called? It's called
14?
yeah. 42. Tripping. I fuck with that.
42 tripping.